The Japanese automaker has just redesigned its bestseller, and it has brought 7 shocking changes in the 2026 Mazda CX-5 that represent a bigger transformation than anyone expected. If you're among those who expected nothing but evolutionary changes, pay attention. Known for its engaging ride, strong reliability, and impressive level of luxury for the money, the new generation takes everything to the next level and makes the CX-5 better at everything, including interior space and practicality. Number 7. More spacious and more practical than before. This might be the single most important improvement in the CX-5's entire history. For years, potential buyers walked away from Mazda showrooms with one consistent complaint. The CX-5 simply wasn't spacious enough to compete with the Honda CR-V and Subaru Forester. Mazda has finally addressed this fundamental weakness head-on. The wheelbase stretches by 3 full inches, while overall length increases by a substantial 4.5 inches. These aren't just numbers on a specification sheet. They translate into real-world improvements that current owners will notice immediately. The rear passenger area receives a complete transformation with significantly more legroom, knee room, and headroom that finally puts the CX-5 on equal footing with its most practical competitors. But the improvements don't stop with passenger space. The cargo area undergoes dramatic expansion, extending nearly 2 inches longer and rising 1 inch higher than before. The opening itself becomes larger and more accessible, while Mazda engineers lowered the liftover height by ½ inch to make loading heavy items less strenuous. Perhaps most importantly for families, the rear door openings have been enlarged substantially. Parents struggling with car seats and elderly passengers needing easier access will appreciate this thoughtful improvement. These dimensional changes address the practical concerns that kept buyers away despite the CX-5's excellent driving dynamics and reliability reputation. Number 6. All-new interior design. The new interior philosophy centers on minimalist elegance. Clean lines replace the busy button layouts of previous generations, while carefully selected premium materials elevate the perceived quality to levels typically found in luxury vehicles. The dual-tone color schemes create visual depth and sophistication that separates the CX-5 from mainstream competitors. Ergonomics receives particular attention in this redesign. Controls fall naturally to hand, while the seating position has been optimized for better visibility and comfort during long drives. The steering wheel undergoes a complete redesign with a flatter airbag cover and streamlined button arrangements that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. What's most impressive is how Mazda maintains their signature attention to detail while embracing modern simplicity. Surface textures, stitching patterns, and material combinations demonstrate the same craftsmanship found in vehicles costing significantly more. Cabin feels both contemporary and timeless, a difficult balance that few manufacturers achieve successfully. Of course, the massive screen dominates the dashboard, but its integration feels natural rather than forced. The display doesn't overwhelm the interior design, but rather complements the clean aesthetic that defines the entire cabin. This thoughtful approach to technology integration shows Mazda's maturity as a premium brand. Number 5. Finally, a proper infotainment. The transformation of Mazda's infotainment approach represents one of the most significant technological leaps in the company's recent history. Gone are the days of small screens and controversial rotary controllers. The 2026 CX-5 embraces a completely modern approach that puts it ahead of many competitors. The centerpiece is a massive touchscreen that can measure up to 15.6 inches on upper trim levels. But size is only part of the story. The real revolution lies in the software architecture, which abandons Mazda's previous systems in favor of Google built-in technology. This Google-based platform provides seamless integration with Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store without requiring additional subscriptions or complicated setup procedures. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across the entire lineup, ensuring compatibility with virtually any smartphone. The controversial rotary knob that controlled previous Mazda infotainment systems disappears entirely. In its place, the new system operates exclusively through touch inputs, eliminating the confusion that plagued earlier generations, where touch functionality was only available when the vehicle was stopped. This technological transformation extends beyond basic infotainment functionality. The Google platform allows for over-the-air updates that can expand capabilities and fix issues without requiring dealership visits, ensuring the system remains current throughout the vehicle's ownership cycle. Number 4. Design language that evolves. When you create something as visually stunning as the previous generation CX-5, radical change becomes the enemy of beauty. Mazda's design team understood this principle perfectly, crafting an exterior that feels completely fresh while remaining unmistakably faithful to the model's established character. The overall silhouette maintains the elegant proportions that made the CX-5 so distinctive in showrooms full of generic crossovers. The wheelbase extension and dimensional increases enhance these proportions rather than disrupting them, creating a more planted and substantial presence without sacrificing the dynamic stance that defined earlier generations. Front and rear styling receive comprehensive updates that incorporate Mazda's latest design language. The headlights become slimmer and more sophisticated, and the grille adopts new proportions and surface treatments that enhance the vehicle's premium appearance. At the rear, traditional Mazda badging gives way to script lettering stretched across the tailgate, while the taillights adopt a darker, more contemporary appearance. These changes create stronger family resemblance across Mazda's SUV lineup while maintaining the CX-5's unique identity. Glossy black trim elements throughout the exterior add sophistication while hinting at the vehicle's premium aspirations. These details help separate the CX-5 from competitors that rely on plastic cladding and chrome accents to create visual interest. Number 3. No change is the best change. No change in this case means that Mazda management has changed. More precisely, they have matured, learned to listen to their engineers, and decided not to change what already works perfectly. The platform carries forward unchanged from the previous generation, and this represents a stroke of genius rather than cost-cutting laziness. This chassis has been refined over years of development into one of the most engaging foundations in the compact SUV segment, delivering handling precision that rivals sports sedans while maintaining ride comfort suitable for daily family use. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter inline-4 continues as the primary power plant, producing 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque through careful tuning refinements. This engine has proven itself over nearly 15 years of service as one of the most reliable and durable powertrains in the industry, with maintenance costs that remain manageable throughout the ownership experience. The 6-speed automatic transmission also carries forward with updated calibrations that improve responsiveness and smoothness. While competitors chase 8, 9, and 10-speed transmissions, Mazda recognizes that their 6-speed unit has reached near perfection through years of development and refinement. This mechanical continuity provides several crucial advantages. Service technicians understand these systems thoroughly, parts availability remains excellent, and long-term reliability data demonstrates exceptional durability. Owners can purchase with confidence knowing they're getting proven technology rather than untested innovations. Number 2, hybrid is coming. Rather than licensing Toyota's hybrid technology like they did for the CX-50, Mazda is developing a completely proprietary hybrid system specifically for the CX-5. This in-house development approach provides crucial advantages over borrowed technology. Mazda engineers can optimize the hybrid system specifically for the CX-5's chassis dynamics, ensuring that electrification enhances rather than compromises the driving experience that makes this SUV special. This positions Mazda strategically within the market transition toward electrification. Soon enough, hybrid technology will be even more mainstream, and Mazda's proprietary solution will differentiate their offering from the Toyota-derived systems used by numerous competitors. Development of this hybrid powertrain represents a massive investment in the CX-5's long-term competitiveness. While other manufacturers rush to electrify their lineups with off-the-shelf solutions, Mazda prioritizes creating technology that maintains their brand character and driving dynamics. The hybrid system's integration will include advanced features that enhance both efficiency and performance, potentially providing instant torque delivery that improves acceleration while maintaining the smooth, refined character that CX-5 owners expect. Number 1. Next-generation gasoline engines. While the current engine lineup provides proven reliability, Mazda engineers are developing revolutionary powertrains that will transform the CX-5's competitive position in the coming years. The new Skyactiv Z engine family represents a quantum leap in efficiency and performance technology. These next-generation engines utilize Lambda 1 combustion methodology, achieving the theoretically ideal air-to-fuel ratio that maximizes thermal efficiency while minimizing emissions. This advanced combustion process promises significant improvements in both power delivery and fuel economy compared to current naturally aspirated engines. The Skyactiv Z family will include both naturally aspirated and turbocharged variants, providing Mazda with flexibility to meet diverse customer preferences and performance requirements. The naturally aspirated version will appeal to buyers who prioritize smooth power delivery and long-term reliability, while the turbocharged variant will satisfy those seeking additional performance. Development of these engines reflects Mazda's commitment to internal combustion efficiency improvements, even as the industry moves toward electrification. The Lambda 1 combustion process represents cutting-edge technology that could extend the viability of gasoline engines well into the next decade. Integration of these new powertrains will occur gradually, allowing Mazda to thoroughly validate their performance and reliability before widespread deployment. Current buyers can purchase confidently, knowing that proven engines remain available while exciting new technology prepares for introduction. With all these changes in mind, it's pretty clear that the new 2026 Mazda CX-5 will be one of the best options in the class, but a few more rivals are going in the same direction. Check out this video about the 2026 Honda CR-V, which you can now see on the screen. Honda's bestseller is getting a comprehensive mid-cycle refresh, with upgrades that could help it finally beat the RAV4 in terms of sales figures.